Alright guys, I want to show you the Mulwark Air Wedge alignment tool set. So this came in everything that you see right here. I just opened up the package a little while ago to check it out. One thing here is this little pry bar, so you can actually get these inside of there. Now, what is this good for? Well, this is good to help hold something up if you really need one edge of something, like if you're putting in a cabinet, or let's just say you need to do work on something like this bench. So if you need to do work on this bench, what you can do is you can just take this little wedge, right, pry it up, slide this in, and then all you need to do is pump it up like a blood pressure cuff, okay? And as you're pumping it, you can see it has that air in it from the side. When you're ready to release, you just push this valve to get all that extra air out of there, okay? Now, one of the great things is this one, the small one, supports for 300 pounds, and you get a little bit larger for 330, and then finally, the big boy at 500 pounds. And this can help replace using a jack in places where you really you only have a small amount of space, and a jack is great if you're lifting up floor joists, you have something else, but honestly, if it's just a cabinet or a chair or holding up a door even to be able to drill in, some of these little alignment sets are great for that, especially for those one-man. So if you're interested, check out the link in the description for where to find these, and these can be found on Walmart.com.